Betty for the win. You got to be quicker than that, Otis. Here she comes. Nice job, Betty. Good job. Awesome swimming. Awesome swimming, girl. Nice going. All right, let's see who's gonna get this one. Let's see, will it be Otis? Will it be Betty? Be ready? Are we ready, guys? Okay. Well, if you're over here, Bets, you're not gonna get it. Unless you learn to jump in off the edge. Ready? 1, 2, 2.5. 3. Yeah, saw that one coming. Good job, Otis. Amazing. You're making waves, buddy. Good going. Nice.